What's up, YouTube? EmtinHawaii with another box break of 2010 certified. I just want to say thank you to Paula from Paula Sports Cards and my girlfriend for picking me up this box. It was a surprise, and you know, we'll see if we get some Mojo tonight, some Friday night Mojo. I got box number 001. So let's see. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. And a skinny one back here. Let's hope for some major Mojo, or hope at least. Okay. So first pack. Okay. Alright, so new generation, Ed Dixon, Mirror Red, number 126 out of 250. And by the way, you know, if anybody has these Mirror Red cards, I'm trying to make a set. Shoot me a PM, EmtinHawaii at yahoo.com, or you can shoot me, you know, a PM on YouTube, EmtinHawaii. Okay, gold team, Tate Manning, 250 out of 999. Okay, so we got a hit in this one. Let's see. So number 20 out of 50. I kind of saw the name. Gerald McCoy. Oh, nice. Certified Potential Prime Patch. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. Right here at the end, you can see a little red. Nice one, nice one. I mean, I think everybody's shooting for that Freshman Fabric 101 Boost logo shield. I mean, whew. So the new generation, Dan Lefevre, 479 out of 999. Playing this weekend against Green Bay. See how they do. And Jets against Pittsburgh. Personally, I hope the Jets win. Okay, new generation, Derek Morgan, 937, 999. Mr. Favre, just retired. And next week we got, you guys, there's new product coming out. Got plates and patches. Can't wait till that comes out. And is it Top Supreme? Base. Okay, all base. 4 more packs left. So, I want to say a small shout out to Lysol 15 and DBO 808. Real cool guys over there. Got a hit in this one. Let's see. 25 out of 50 for the Seahawks. Wow. Okay. Golden Tate. Mirror blue. Jumbo piece of jersey. Another hit in this one. Oh, it's a fat one. $11 out of 50 for the Seahawks again. Golden Tate. It's a Golden Tate hot box. Oh well. You know, you say you win some, lose some. So jersey, ball, and I think it's a shoe. So if there's any Golden Tate collectors out there, PM me for trade or sell. Mirror red, Donnie Avery, 15 out of 250. Just missed it by his jersey number. And let's see if we get lucky. The last one. Nope. Certified potential, Marcus Easley. T.O. Mr. Flacco. I know DBO 808 collects the Ravens and the Steelers, so if anybody has any Ravens or Steelers for trade, should try maybe hit them up or something. And just behind me, I just wanted to see some of the cards that I got. I got a Bradford freshman fabric, mirror blue, 18 out of 50. Well, too bad if it was minus 10, then be a jersey number. And then a pretty sick Clinton Portis mirror gold out of 50 jersey. And a Calvin Johnson mirror blue out of 60. Number 1 out of 60. And then just a real cap, you know, I got this job at best. Absolute. Number 16 out of 25. Colt McCoy. 134 out of 299. And a Tebow War Room. 3 out of 25. You know, just a little recap. Some of these cards are in my videos or before, but I got this McCoy and Tebow in the same box. Really lucky. Again, I got that box from Paula's Sports here in Honolulu. You guys go check her out. She gives great deals, and her boxes are pretty hot. So, alright, YouTubers, take it easy. Alright.